Miles.
Rob.
How are you, man?
Very well, how are you?
That's good. Look
Welcome
at
on
this. Look, I know you said I'm going to be in store for an adventure, and you're the guy if I'm looking for an adventure?
I am the guy, yeah. Let's get on board and I'll tell you more.
Oh, all right, Miles. So everybody is telling me that you are the go-to guy if I want to book whatever it is here in Dubai.
You are correct, Rob. Anything you need, come to me. We get it sorted.
What would you say some of the must-do things are?
I'd say you need to do the Old Town City tour. People overlook the culture of Dubai. I know you've done it yourself and you've seen it's amazing down there to really see that there is still that heritage.
See, it's the old, there's heart.
Exactly.
You know, and then you come in here and it's just skyline and skyscrapers and just build.
Exactly, yeah. It's nice to see that there is still that heritage in Dubai, as well as these amazing yachts and the amazing skyline you've seen today.
What would you say like some of the top attractions are if you're coming here for the first time?
The desert quads and desert buggies are a must-do experience. There's also amazing camps out in the desert with shows and dinner. There's obviously Burj Khalifa, I'm sure you're going to do. We also offer city tours. I've actually described us as an experience brokerage.
An experience, bro. I love that. Well,
That's the traditional British term we've come up with.
I want to experience brokerage this yacht. So what do we got?
Let's go and meet Simon, the captain.
The captain. Okay, all right, let's go meet the captain. Nice to meet you, man. Wow, okay, so Miles said he was setting me up, but I didn't really know like he was like setting me up. So I got the real deal. So, this is an amazing boat, my friend.
Well, welcome on board.
Yeah, thank you. So what makes this such a popular place to yacht?
Well, let's be honest, look around you. Behind me, we've got the backdrop of the JBR, which obviously it just illuminates in the evening. To my left, you've got the largest observation wheel in the world. You're just gonna hit all the tourist hotspots in a 2 or 3 hour trip on the water.
You've been out here for 13 years. What have you been able to build in the yachting community? And the reason I ask that is because every newspaper, every article, everything I ever read about Dubai is like, come here and build an empire.
Yeah, and look, and you can do it. That's my honest feedback. We opened a shipyard, we designed the vessels that you're on now. We have now over 50 in the operation. So we're the largest privately owned in the UAE. In fact, I think on a power yacht charter front, we're probably the largest in the world.
I love that. Well, I'm gonna go explore some of the most amazing places to stay still, and I think I'm gonna check out the Marina.
Please have a look around Dubai, take a tour, hit all the tourist hotspots, enjoy some fresh fruit, and enjoy yourself while you're here.
I mean, sir, you had me at champagne. A little cup for two?
Let's go in. Let's do it.